Aubrey here, back in another, oh my god. Back with another video, and today I'm here with...
She's trying to make a video, my friend is trying to make a video of something.
AKA OffTube TV. Anyways, I'm here with Rossi, or whatever, and KCH1000. And, so this person on her live stream today, she was, like, duplicating the channel banner, username, and even icon pic. And, yeah, she was saying bad words on that stream, and, stuff I can't really talk about, so yeah. By the way, she also wanted me to share the two Discord thing. Oh my god, I'm not even on Discord. Like, what the frick? Alright. I gotta go to here. There it is. Okay, so she sent it. So, this is the fake channel. If you see this, do not subscribe to it. That's the person that, duplicated her channel. And then, yeah.
Oh, no, now there's two KCH1000s, and there's one with two videos. Oh, no, they're copying my videos.
They are?
They are.
Copy a video?
Yes, they did. They copied my intro.
So, yeah, if you guys, if you see another one that only has one video, aka the only the intro, do not subscribe to it. That's the fake account.
Yeah, see what they duplicated.
You gotta share your screen though.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen.
I'm still recording.
Like, look, if you look up KCH1000, look, they have this one, and then I have this one. But look, they copied my video.
By the way, if you see the one that has more than 0 subscribers, that's her true thing. So you'll know. That's her true channel. She even copied her bio.
Wait.
Bio. Whatever.
Am I actually, I think impostering is actually illegal. I'm pretty sure it is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like, I remember one of my friends, this person got arrested for,
I'm not going into my school account. Real quick.
Okay, so yeah. You guys should go report them and block them, please, on YouTube, and try to contact any person from the YouTube community and Animal Jam as well, because why not? And Casey can actually call the police on this person.
maybe.
If she wants to.
Not good for my ambassador role.
But for now, we're going to have to deal with this duplicator. But yeah, that's all we have to say, TVs. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!